Okay, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here's another video about Wyze camera. Okay, so as you can see, this camera is usually regular price is $99. Now you can get it for $80, which is $20 off. Talking about this floodlight camera. Okay, so I do own one. This one, it does, you need to install it with the to the outlet, or there's like three wires in the back that you need to connect it to, or if you're replacing your old one, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Since I did a video installing this one, because I installed it to my onto my patio where I connect to my solar system, so I had to rerun all the wires, and I had to buy a separate junction box. But it's pretty easy. Okay, so, the three wires are like the hot, the neutral, and the ground. Hot usually black or red. Neutral usually white, and grounds either green or brown, or sometimes it just come with copper. Okay, if you want to learn how to install it, you can check other people how they install it, or you can even check on my video how to install it. Pretty easy, very straightforward. But for this video, I just want to bring it to you guys. This camera is great. It has the latest camera, the V3, and the floodlight, the bright at night, and the sensors top notch. It's like even as soon as I get to the into the driveway, it lights up. So the detections is awesome. I don't know why the review is only 3 stars. I've read it, and it just some of the customers or people that bought it, they're complaining that these are just plastics. But you have to think about it. Compared it to the price, $80 and $300, and plastic metal. You gotta give and take somewhere. This one, it's just like any other Wyze camera. It comes with a 12 seconds unless you subscribe to their cloud base, which I really don't need, because you can stick a memory card in there, and then it'll record itself, and you can view whatever you need to view. But for $80, I think this is a no-brainer. And like I said, I have it, I use it, it's really great. And let's go over some of the pictures. Here, and I thought I saw a picture where you could add additional cameras. Okay, here it is. So this one, behind it, it has another additional USB port where you can add another camera to a different angle, maybe the front side and the back side, or the side, whatever you want to put it, to add it. Okay, but for the price, $80, I think that's really, really cheap. And for the stuff that you're getting with Wyze, I have a lot of Wyze camera around my house. I actually replace it with my Swan security wired camera, because it's not as clear as Wyze, and since I have fiber optic connections, the quality, the HD, it's just great. Okay, so but let's see, let's click on some of the ratings, because I read it, and here 5 stars out of 5, great. Okay, it's like these people, like I said, the image is great. But like this person's here saying, they don't, requires recessed junction box, like I told you. If you're replacing with the old floodlight, then no need for a junction box. But if you put it like at a different location, yeah, of course you need it. It says here camera's flimsy. I don't think it's flimsy. I installed it, I use it, it's perfect. It's cheap. They should elaborate a little bit more about what is cheap about it. Yes, it's made out of plastic, but it's, for the price, you're getting a third cheaper than as if you were getting it with Ring camera or Google Nest camera. It's like in the $300 range. Okay, so again, if you're on a limbo of whether you should buy this camera, by all means, my opinions, I love it, and I have no issue with Wyze. I have like videos where I show you guys how to connect it to your local network, because a lot of times you have experience, even myself, I had experience, but that's another topic to talk about. But as far for this price, go for it. you're not gonna regret it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Wyze by any means, okay? I'm just sharing my opinions and the price itself. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe for more videos. Thank you, guys.